have a wonderful and fruitful day. Oh, let us thank the Lord, for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that the Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 22, verse 9, Blessed are those generous, because they feed the poor. So my friend, I challenge you and encourage you to be generous, because that is the character of God. When you are generous to the poor or helping the poor, you will become enriched with God's blessing. Generous means originally is having a bountiful eyes. It means you are searching and looking to those who are in need, to help. So you know, brothers and sisters, my friend, God raise the standard of your living so that you will raise the standard of your giving. So remember, that is a reminder, my friend. Again, God raised the standard of living so that you will raise the standard of your giving. So that's a reminder. So I declare to you, my friend, shalom, shalom to everyone. God bless you more.